How do you figure out which direction is north using the sun, a stick, and 2 rocks? So you find a stick, basically put it vertically into the ground, right about there. Support it. 2 rocks. Take a rock, put it right at the very tip of the shadow that's coming off that stick. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so we placed our stick in the ground about 15 minutes ago. We marked the end of the shadow it cast then. Here is the end that the shadow casts right now. What you get now is you take your stick, you'll stand where the stick was, you'll place that stick perpendicular to the line those 2 rocks make. That's north. A compass can be incredibly helpful when you're navigating, especially an area that you're unfamiliar with. But a common mistake is for somebody to figure out what their bearing is and then just follow looking at the compass needle. Don't do that. What you want to do is figure out your bearing for your course, find an object along that bearing, and then you walk right towards that object, preferably within about 100 yards. This will keep you from naturally swaying back and forth, which most people do when they're walking. All right, after you get to that next object, shoot another bearing and repeat. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.